Hi there, home cooks. This is Chris, and it's time for another round of cool kitchen finds under $50. The monthly series where I share some of my favorite cooking tools, gadgets, accessories, and small appliances, all under $50. If you want more information on any of the items mentioned in this video, links will be in the description below so you can take a closer look. Let's start out with an awesome grill brush that is not only affordable, but very effective. It's the Mr. Barbecue Steam Clean Grill Brush, and it's powered by Scrub Daddy. It's a bristle-free brush, so no dangerous pieces are going to get stuck on the grates and in your food. You simply preheat your grill, stick the brush in a bowl of cool water, and then just wipe up and down the grill grates with the Scrub Daddy sponge. The steam helps lift away any food, grease, or in this case, cooked on barbecue sauce that still might be hanging around on those grates. As you can see, it gets them nice and clean with ease. And if there are any stubborn messes, flip it over and use the attached scraper. It says to use ice water, but I just used cold water straight out of the sink, and it worked great. It's got a 17-inch handle, which is nice, and is highly recommended for your next grill brush. One of the best tools you could have in your kitchen is a solid grater, and this one from Spring Chef is stainless steel, 4-sided. It's got a 4.7 rating on Amazon with over 28,000 reviews. And it comes in like 8 or more colors. This is teal, by the way. The silicone at the base comes off for easy cleaning, and it has a coarse side, medium side, fine side, and a slicer. Save money at the store and buy a block of your favorite cheese and just shred it yourself. The cheddar I have here shredded up pretty effortlessly. You can get nice and uniform slices of veggies like cucumbers or zucchini with the slicing side, and get melt in the pot garlic or ginger with the fine shred side, which is also perfect for Parmesan cheese, by the way. I made a quick coleslaw for dinner with cabbage and some carrots from the garden. This kitchen must-have is dishwasher safe and will get you great results at an affordable price. If you're a fan of these cool kitchen finds videos, subscribe and like the video so YouTube knows you enjoy this type of content. And if you want to save money, Prime Day is this month. And I'll be checking out everything in the kitchen space on Amazon, and I'll let you know some of the best deals that are available. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on those videos. Now, a couple more cool kitchen finds for July. Each cool kitchen finds video, I feature a newly released cookbook, and this month's cookbook can give you some much needed relief from that hot July sun. The Magnolia Bakery's Handbook of Icebox Desserts, Volume 2. Recipes of cold desserts like icebox cakes, pies, and bars, and puddings, including many variations of Magnolia Bakery's banana pudding, like peanut butter banana pudding or s'mores banana pudding. There's literally a whole chapter about banana pudding. So far I've made banana cream pie and peanut butter pretzel icebox bars. Written by Magnolia Bakery's Chief Baking Officer, Bobby Lloyd, she shares not only the ingredients but the specific brands for certain things like peanut butter. Measurements in cups, teaspoons, tablespoons, but also grams, which I prefer when it comes to baking, or in this book's case, minimal baking. There's a chapter on base recipes for things like brownies, pie crusts, and cookies that are called for in other recipes throughout the book. This is the pretzel crust for the peanut butter bars. I use the variant for a 9x13 dish. So I've never made pudding from scratch. I would just grab the instant stuff in the box. But the vanilla pudding from the banana cream pie recipe was crazy good. The peanut butter bars were amazing too, although I will say there's just a little too many toppings in my opinion. You make these delicious bars and then top them with crushed peanuts, chopped Reese's cups, peanut butter fudge, which is a recipe in this book that is a must-try for peanut butter lovers, by the way, and a peanut butter drizzle. Tasty, yes, but I think it was maybe just a little too much. I think I'll just use chocolate pretzels next time, but we'll see. So if you need a cool icebox dessert that everyone will talk about at the summer barbecue, this book is full of ideas. A slow cooker is just a necessity in the kitchen for cooking meals and to keep food warm. But sometimes a big 6-7 quart crock pot isn't needed. This one from iMusa is great for small appetizers, keeping dips warm, or for things like heating up a can of chili or soup, or keeping some chicken broth warm. I've had this one for 3 years and highly recommend it for any of those uses. It's 1.5 quarts, so 6 cups. It has a decent length cord, glass lid, and has the usual low, high, and warm temperature settings you'd find on a slow cooker. If you're a coffee lover, or more specifically a latte lover, this small but powerful handheld cordless milk frother might become part of your morning routine. OD4Go sent this over to me to check out and also gave me a coupon code for anyone interested in ordering. It comes in several colors and you can order it with or without the stand. And it isn't just for frothing milk. It also comes with a hook whisk, which is great for incorporating powders with liquids. Think protein powders or nutritional drinks. It also comes with a balloon whisk, the one I think we're all most familiar with, designed for like whipping cream or beating some eggs. And of course, the whisk for milk. It has 3 speeds and a battery level indicator that shows you if the battery's high, medium, or low. And includes the USB-C cable for charging. And no, I'm not good at doing the latte art. You can click the link in the description to order directly from OD4Go's website and use the coupon code COOKWithChris15 to save 15%. Shipping is free, by the way, for US residents. Thanks for watching this month's cool kitchen finds under $50 for July 2025. Links for all the products will be in the description below. If you like this video, tell YouTube and click the like button so you don't miss out on another cool kitchen finds. Also, Prime Day right around the corner. Subscribe now so you don't miss out on those deals I come across for the kitchen. And I'm going to be keeping an eye on non-kitchen stuff too. If there's a good deal, I'll let you know. I'm Cooking with Chris, and I'll catch you on the next one.